I'm the strong one, I'm not nervous. I'm as tough as the crust of the earth is. I move mountains, I move churches, and I glow cause I know what my worth is. I don't ask how hard the work is. Got a rough, indestructible surface. Diamonds and platinum, I find them, I flatten them. I take what I'm handed, I'll break what's demanding. But under the surface, I feel berserk as a tightrope walker in a 3-ring circus. Under the surface, was Hercules ever like, yo, I don't wanna fight COVID? Under the surface, I'm pretty sure I'm worthless if I can't be of service. A floor crack, straw in the stack that breaks the camel's back. What breaks the camel's back is pressure like a drip, drip, drip that'll never stop. Whoa, pressure that'll tip, tip, tip till you just go pop. Whoa, oh, oh. Give it to your sister's shoulder. Give her all the heavy things we can't shoulder. Who am I if I can't run with the ball? If I fall